Recording in progress.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve 10 square minus 2 divided by 1 times 2. What people do, 10 square as 100 minus 2 divided by 1 is 2, or they do 1 multiply. First they do the 1 multiply 2 is 2, and then 2 divided by 2 as 1, and 100 minus 1 as 99. What do you think? It's correct or incorrect? Yes, it's incorrect. When you have given an expression with multiple operation like power, subtraction, division, then multiplication, then always follow order of operation, which is also known as BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first solve the bracket if given, then exponent of order. Division, multiplication both have same priority, similarly addition and subtraction. But don't forget to solve left to right. So exponent 10 square is 100 minus 2 divided by 1 times 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2 times 2. Now we have two operations, that is subtraction and multiplication. So we have to give priority to multiplication. So 100 minus 4, that is 96. So what is the correct answer? 96, not 99. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.